mister. Why is this necessary?
Why? This is why. If you lie down when you lie down your CRF300L on the left side, the shifter lever usually takes a hit, which transfers the impact to the gear shift spindle, causing damage. As a result, the gearbox stops functioning, leaving you stuck in a single gear in the Himalayas. This is definitely not good. The internet indicates that this is a common problem. You always need to trust internet, right? Therefore, we should take steps to prevent it, right? Right.